10 makeup hacks every girl should know. 1. Longer lashes without falsies. Lengthen lashes with baby powder. Apply a coat of mascara and then dust some baby powder over it. 2. Use lip balm on shaving nicks. Pop a little lip balm on a nick in your skin and it will stop the bleeding and help it to heal up faster. 4. Use a cotton swab to clean up any mistakes. If your eyeliner is still a hot mess, use a pointed cotton swab and concealer to clean up any mistakes. 5. Use lipstick as blush. Out of blush? You can use your pink and red tones lipsticks and lightly dap on your cheeks and blend a soft and natural look for a hint of color on your face. 6. Use your lash curler to get the perfect eyeliner. 7. Apply eyeliner on the top metal part of the eyelash curler. You can now line and curl at the same time. 8. Use a white or light eyeliner to really make your eyes pop. Apply white or light eyeliner on the eye waterline. This will make your eyes appear bigger and brighter. 9. If you want to fake fuller lips, applying light pencil in the center of your lips will do the trick. 10. Coconut oil as a makeup remover. Running out of makeup remover? You can use coconut oil as a makeup remover. It's a natural and easy way to effectively remove a full face of makeup. Are you ready? Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice.